Beige isn't boring, but relying on it alone usually is. Neutrals are the backbone of most modern wardrobes. Camel, chocolate, navy, ivory biscuit, they are timeless, wearable, and incredibly versatile. But when an outfit feels flat or uninspiring, it's rarely because of a neutral. It's because it lacks contrast, texture, or intention. Today I want to show you how to style neutrals so that they feel rich, layered, and quietly exciting, not safe or forgettable. And if you're new here, I talk about calm, confidence-building style, fewer better pieces, styled thoughtfully, so do subscribe if that sounds like your approach. Why neutrals work and why they fail. Neutrals mix effortlessly, they layer beautifully, they don't date, and they create visual calm. But when everything is the same tone, weight, and texture, the outfit becomes one block. Beige knit, beige trousers, beige coat. Without variation, it lacks dimension. Neutrals need depth, and depth comes from tone variation, structure, texture, and contrast. Use tone, not just colour. A camel top doesn't have to match a camel bottom exactly. Chocolate layered with biscuit feels intentional. Try light neutral near the face and deeper neutral grounding the outfit. A mid-tone layer can sit between. Texture is everything. Texture stops neutrals feeling dull. So if you're wearing joggers and a knit in a similar tone, add a structured blazer. If you're wearing a smooth denim skirt and a fine knit, add a ribbed tank. Texture can come from ribbing in wool or cotton, matte versus sheen, denim versus a knit, print used sparingly also works really well. Neutrals need surface variation, not colour overload, but you can add a little pop as a touch of interest to your outfit as well. Structure stops neutrals looking safe. Soft knit, soft trousers, soft coat, everything blends. If you introduce structure, a blazer over joggers, a shoulder pad t-shirt under a cardigan, straight leg jeans instead of slouchy shapes, a clean cut coat over relaxed layers, then structure gives neutrals edge. Add one point of tension. Introduce one subtle point of interest. It could be a stripe, a statement coat, a sharp shoe, or a contrast layer at the neckline. Neutrals become exciting when there's a small surprise. Think in outfits and not pieces. So neutrals work best when you build outfits, not collections of beige items. Before buying another neutral knit, ask yourself, what does this sit between? Does it layer with your blazer? Does it elevate your denim? Connection creates excitement. Think about the confidence factor. So neutrals are calm and controlled, but confidence comes from intention. So when neutrals have depth, structure, and variation, they feel deliberate, and deliberate always feels expensive. Think about the shift. Don't stop wearing beige, just stop wearing beige alone. Layer it, contrast it, ground it, and sharpen it. Neutrals are never boring, they're only boring when they're unfinished. If you found this helpful, let me know your favourite neutral to style with. And if you want calm, confidence-building style advice that makes getting dressed feel simpler and quietly exciting, subscribe for more. We're building wardrobes that work, not wardrobes that fade into the background. Thank you so much for watching.